English Rise Podcast.
Easy listening and speaking practice. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Rise Podcast, easy English listening and speaking practice to help you build fluency and confidence. In today's episode, you'll hear natural English, learn useful expressions, and practice speaking step by step. So relax, listen carefully, and speak with us when you hear the pause. And if this is your first time here, welcome. We're happy you're learning with us. Today, we're going to practice daily routines. We will listen, repeat, and then make our own sentences. Take your time. Speak out loud when I ask you. Ready? Alex, are you ready to practice with us?
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. Yes, I'm ready. I'm a little nervous, but also excited. I'll try my best.
Great, Alex. Let's start with a warm-up. What is a daily routine? Repeat after me slowly. A daily routine is what you do every day, again and again. Say it with me.
A daily routine is what you do every day, again and again. I like routines. They help me. Sometimes my day is busy and routine helps me calm down.
Good. Now, why is a routine helpful? It helps you feel calm. It helps you finish important tasks. Someone with a routine can plan their day. Someone without a routine may feel lost or forget small things. Repeat. With a routine, I feel calm. Without a routine, I forget things. Alex, do you agree?
Yes, I agree. With a routine, I feel calm. Without a routine, I forget things, like my keys, my lunch, little things. So I try to make small routines.
Perfect. Now, 3 simple words we will use today. Routine, habit, schedule. Repeat each word after me. Routine, habit, schedule. I will explain each one.
Routine, habit, schedule. Okay. Routine, what you do every day. Habit, a small action you do without thinking, like brushing your teeth. Schedule, a plan for your time. Emma, I sometimes say habit when I mean routine. Is that okay?
Yes, Alex, that's okay. The words are close. Habit is a small part of a routine. Now think, do you have a morning routine? What do you do every day? Speak quietly to yourself or say it out loud if you want.
Every morning I wake up, I make coffee, and I check my phone. I try to stretch, but sometimes I forget. I want to be better at stretching.
Thank you, Alex. That is a real example. It is helpful for listeners. Now we move to listening. I will tell a short, clear story about a morning routine. Listen carefully. I will speak slowly and clearly. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I drink a glass of water. Then I stretch for 2 minutes. After that, I make my bed and brush my teeth. I do these things every day. First, I wake up. Then I drink water. After that, I stretch. Finally, I leave my room ready for the day. Alex, what do you hear? Anything new?
I hear simple verbs: wake up, drink, stretch, make my bed, brush my teeth. I like the transitions: first, then, after that, finally. They make the story easy. I also notice the times: 7 o'clock. That helps me say a time in English.
Exactly. Now I will summarize the morning routine again, slowly. So my morning routine is wake up, drink water, stretch, make my bed, brush my teeth. Repeat after me in short pieces. Ready?
Every morning,
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Every morning, I drink a glass of water. Every morning, I stretch for 2 minutes. Every morning, I make my bed and brush my teeth. Say these out loud when you are ready.
Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I drink a glass of water. I stretch for 2 minutes. I make my bed and brush my teeth. I also sometimes put on music while I stretch. Nice detail, Alex. Music can make stretching more fun. Okay, now we will do speaking practice called shadowing. I will say a sentence, then you repeat exactly. I will give a few seconds. First sentence. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Repeat.
Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I will try to speak slowly. I drink a glass of water. Then I stretch for 2 minutes. Can I change 2 minutes to 5 minutes if I want? I mean, I can say I stretch for 5 minutes. Yes?
Yes, Alex, you can change the time. Use words that match your real routine. Good question. Now a few useful expressions to practice. Every morning, I always, after that, finally. I will say each phrase slowly twice. Repeat after me. Every morning. Every morning. I always. I always. After that. After. Finally.
Every morning, I always, after that, finally, I always brush my teeth after breakfast. I usually drink coffee first. It's okay to mix these expressions, right, Emma?
Yes, that's right. Use I always for something you do every time, and I usually for something you do most of the time. Now, a short question for you, Alex, and for our listeners. What do you do every morning? I will start. I wake up at 7. I drink water. I stretch. Now, Alex, please say your morning routine slowly. Take your time.
Okay. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. I make coffee, I brush my teeth, then I read the news for 5 minutes. After that, I get dressed and leave for work. Oh, I said leave for work, but now sometimes I work from home, so I say start work. Small habit changes.
Very clear, Alex. Listeners, now it's your turn. Say aloud, every morning. I will give time, fill the blank, and speak. Again, every morning. Long pause. Say it one more time, a little louder.
Every morning, I make coffee and I walk for 10 minutes. I try to say with confidence, every morning, I make coffee and I walk for 10 minutes. It helps me to repeat.
Yes, now we move to the evening routine. Listen to a short story in the simple present. In the evening, I turn off my computer at 9 o'clock. I clean my desk. Then I prepare my bag for tomorrow. After that, I read a book for 10 minutes. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to bed. Alex, do you have an evening routine?
Yes, I do. In the evening, I turn off my computer at 9:30. I cook a small dinner. Then I clean my dishes. After that, I prepare